Drugs are bad. They have submarines now. Immigration has become disorderly, out of hand, and overwhelmed by illegals. Obama and his Oboperatives have infiltrated the government and households of Arizona. It is time to bring change to the Southwest in the form of Christian values and an offensive assault on crime. Joe Arpaio is the man who will bring that change. Tent cities in every county. A big, tall electric fence around the border. And dogs everywhere, just running around, scaring the crap out of everything. Not little dogs, no. Big, vicious canines, desert German shepherds, and tanks everywhere on the border. Let's face it, the border sucks. Obama doesn't care. He and his Oboperatives smuggle illegal immigrants across the border to steal our highest paying and most coveted jobs. We will rename the border the Joe Line. Elect Joe Arpaio for governor of Arizona in 2014.
Ha 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 ha. That was the long laugh for y'all.